Okay, so I've marked the holes where the power supply board is going to go on project 12V. Shortly I'll be marking the holes where I'll drill for the ECBA board. Also, I've decided to widen the hole for the tube socket, possibly, and I'm probably going to have to re-drill, but I'm going to go ahead and mount this Beldon octal. Okay, so hopefully this is going to work out. Flip this under that switch. Line up those holes. Oh yeah. Okay, got a cleaner hole there. Actually quite clean. So for the appropriate size for the Beldon socket. So yeah, I just have to re-drill bolt holes. That one for sure, and I'll just drill that one at the top and fasten it with Keps nuts, which actually goes, I think I'm going to put the keyway up, so see how this fits. Okay, even better for re-drilling. So, and I'm also going to put top mount sockets here too. All right.